Hi, I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris, and it's time for a bit of hairstyling. So what am I going to do today? Well, first off, I've got this amazing piece. This is Luca. Now, I love Luca. I like it for a lot of reasons. I'm a hair cutter. You know, I cut hair, I'll colour hair. I'm a true born through and through hairdresser. So seeing something like this is amazing because I'm looking at the style cut in, I'm looking at the feathered edge, I'm looking at the curl, I'm looking at everything. Looks amazing, just as is. So I wanted to do a little bit of styling with this piece and show you something that you could do to dress it up a little bit if you wanted, make it a little bit more curly, or just have a play. So we're gonna have a play. So I'm rolling my sleeves up. I've got my trusty tong here. Now remember I said it's heat friendly. Now I've dialed this down to 250. Okay, 250 is nice and safe for heat friendly. First off, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tong a couple of areas of the piece. And I'm also using the tong to kind of smooth some areas out as well. So it's I'm kind of doing a little bit of both with it. So you see what I'm doing here? Just kind of making the curl a fraction tighter. See? Working. Dressing this piece up. I'm going to use the Revive, okay? And just with my fingers, you know, we're working with the curl, we're using it as a shape. So look how much more bubbly, responsive and bouncy that is. Now, I don't need any more protecting holding spray because I know from the tong it's gonna hold its shape beautifully. Just using a bit more of the Revive, and I'm using the Revive as a product, as a styling product as opposed to a conditioner. Look how that's defined those curls. Absolutely amazing. So what do you think, guys? I think this has been a really interesting little haircut to style. Loved working with the tong, loved working with Luca, loved working with that curl. Very nice style, very wearable. Can't wait to hear your feedback, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris. See you later, bye-bye.